Google Pixel 8a. So in this video we're going to talk about this mobile. First of all, take a look at this screenshot. So a lot of you people are watching my videos and I'm thankful for that, but I need a little more support from you guys, that is in the form of subscription. So please subscribe to my channel and that gives me motivation to more videos like this, So let's first start with the display size. This Google Pixel 8a mobile phone is coming with a 6.1 inches of cute OLED display, and it is a 90Hz refresh rate display, not a 120Hz one, and it is a display which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And when we move on to the processor, it comes with their own Google processor that is called Google Tensor G3, which is a 4nm based 5G processor. When we talk about 5G, it comes with 4 bands of 5G. Yes, I will list the bands in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. When we talk about this mobile availability, this mobile will be available in only one variant, that is 8GB RAM to 56GB internal storage. These are Google Tensor G3, UFS 3.1 storage capacity along with the LPDDR4X RAM type. So combining all these three, we can expect a good performance from this mobile. By the way, this mobile will comes with dual cameras at the back side, where we can find a 64 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, it comes with a 13 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera. By the way, this mobile comes with a huge battery for this size of mobile, that is 4500 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire. But this mobile doesn't come with any wireless charge or anything like that. But yeah, this mobile comes with the IP67 water and dust resistant. So this is a plus point, I think. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below, so you can check it out from there because they are hard to remember, And this mobile also comes with the features like Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E tri-band Wi-Fi support and NFC. This mobile will comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass. This mobile doesn't skips any sensors. When we talk about this mobile connectivity, like this mobile comes with stereo speakers but not 3.5mm jack. So when we talk about the build quality, this mobile comes with a front glass, obviously, aluminum frame and plastic back. Inside the box you will get the mobile itself and a TPU case and cable, but you will not get any charger according to the news until now. So when we talk about the pricing, this is the major thing, that this mobile might comes with a price tag of 42 to 45,000 rupees. In between that price range you can expect. So the release date of this mobile will be around May 14 to May 14. So these are all the features of this mobile. By the way, if you want to watch more videos, I will leave the links to watch more videos in the description box down below, as well as here in the iCard section, so you can go and watch them from there. I have made videos about the OnePlus Nord C4 comparisons as well as Infinix Note 40 Pro. So you can also watch them from there. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel.